I love your idea of the extended patio here with the kitchen and you and the martinis and the mojitos and when can I come down? And
Anytime.
so you're going to put the spindle trees on Facebook or wherever and say free spindle trees, come dig them up. You're going to, when the rhododendrons are done blooming, you're going to bring them down.
Yes.
And we can fine tune the exact location if it's not clear, but you're going to make those lower so that then they get more light and then they'll produce more growth. And actually, why don't we just do this now? Here. Actually, this whole thing down to here.
Okay.
So this is your new shrub.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Here, I kind of almost would keep this.
Okay.
And then, so it's coming off the ground. This is wonky, strange, but I would get rid of this whole thing.
Okay.
So you could, anywhere really, try it here.
Okay.
Maybe there's some dormant buds along here. Maybe it'll do something, I don't know. Okay, so this is the thing right here.
Okay.